Next we'll go to related angles. So here your new concept are starting, that related angle. So here related angle number 1 is what? Complementary angle. So complementary angle. What is complementary angle? When sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then those two angles are known as complementary angle. Let's see, if two angles are complementary, then each angle is complement to other angle. So let's see, these angles are drawn, some of the angles. So number 1 angle is 30 degree, number 2 angle is 60 degree, number 3 angle is 35 degree, number 4 angle is 65 degree. So first we'll see the two pairs, first one pair, then we'll see the second pair, means first two angle, then second two angles. So here first angle is what? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to, first one is 30 degree, second one is 60 degree. So when we will add, what we are getting? The sum is 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to 90 degree. So angle 1 is complement to angle 2. So we can say that angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angles. Or we can say that angle 1 is complement to angle 2 and vice versa. Vice versa means what? Angle 2 is complement to angle 1. So this is about first two angles. Let's see last two angles, or angle 3 and 4. Add it, angle 3 plus angle 4. Add it, angle 3 is 35 degree, angle 4 is 65 degree. So 35 plus 65 equal to how much? 100 degree, which is not equal to 90 degree. So the sum of angle 3 and angle 4 is not equal to 90 degree. So these two are not complement to each other. So we can write as angle 3 and angle 4 are not complementary angles. So if this 65 degree is not complement to 35 degree, or 35 degree is not complement to 65 degree, can we find out the complementary angle of 35 degree? Yes, we can find out. How? We are knowing the sum of two complementary angles are how much? 90 degree. So if one angle is given, other angle we can find out by subtracting with 90. So complementary angle of 35 degree equal to 90 degree minus 35 degree. So what we are finding? We are finding 55 degree. So 35 degree angle 35 degree is complement to angle 55 degree, or angle 55 degree is complement to angle 35 degree. So this is about, we have found out the complementary angle of 35 degree. Let's we go to complementary angle of, let's find out complementary angle of 65 degree. So complementary angle of 65 degree equal to the same, will subtract from 90 degree. 90 degree minus 65 degree equal to how much? 25 degree. So 25 degree angle is complementary angle of 65 degree angle, and 65 degree angle is complementary of 25 degree angle. So this is about complementary angle. So there another thing is given. Can two obtuse angle be complementary, or can two acute angles be complementary, or can two right angles be complementary? Means if we are adding two acute angles, the sum of two acute angles is complementary, or the sum of two obtuse angles are complementary, or the sum of two right angles are complementary. Let's see. We'll take examples. Let's take two examples of acute angle. So we have taken 35 degree plus when we add 55 degree. So we are getting how much? 90 degree. So these two are less than 90 degree and these two are acute angle. So sum of these two angle is 90 degree. So when we are adding two acute angles, then we can get 90 degree. So sum of two acute angles is 90 degree. So the two acute angles can be complementary. So two acute angles can be complementary to each other. So these two can be complementary angles. Next we'll see obtuse angle. So I will take obtuse angle is what? The angle which measures more than 90 degree. I will take 91 degree plus another the same 91 degree. What I am getting? 91 plus 91 equal to how much? 182. So this is more than 90 degree, means this is not equal to 90 degree. So when we are adding two obtuse angle, so that sum is more than 90 degree, or that sum is not equal to 90 degree. So these two angles cannot be complementary to each other. Means no two obtuse angle can be complementary, or you can say that two obtuse angles cannot be complementary to each other. So let's see about right angle. So right angle is how much? 90 degree plus 90 degree. How much you are getting? 180 degree. So this is not equal to 90 degree. Here also the sum of two right angles is more than 90 degree, that is not equal to 90 degree. So these cannot be complementary. So no two right angles can be complementary, or you can say that two right angles cannot be complementary to each other. Number 2 related angle is supplementary angle. So this supplementary angles, how will you say what is supplementary angle? When the measures of, or the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. And when two angles are supplementary, each angle is supplement to other angle. Let's see. Here 4 figures are given. So let's find out which pair is supplementary. So first one is 60 degree, 120 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 60 degree plus 120 degree. How much? 180 degree. So the sum of these two angle is angle 1 and angle 2 is how much? 180 degree. So we can write angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, or we can write angle 1 is supplement to angle 2 and vice versa. Means angle 2 is supplement to angle 1. Another angle is given, another pair, number 3 angle, number 4 angle. Number 3 angle is given 112 degree. Number 4 angle, if let these two are supplementary angles. So one angle is given, we have to find out other angle. How can we find out other angle? So one angle is given, angle 3 equal to 112 degree. So we have to find out angle 4. So the sum of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. So if we are adding, what we are getting? 180 degree. So we can find out angle 4 is, if we will subtract from 180. So 180 degree minus 112 degree. So what we are finding? It is 65 degree. So the supplementary angle of angle 112 is how much? 65 degree. So if 3 and angle 3 and angle 4 are supplement to each other and angle 1 is 112 degree, then angle 3 is 112 degree, then angle 4 is 65 degree. So this is about supplementary angles. So how we can find out both are supplementary angles? So you have to add it, and if you are finding those are equal to 180 degree, then those two angles are supplementary angles. And if one angle is given, if two angles are supplementary, one angle is given, other angle you can find out by subtracting it from 180 degree. Next, 3 facts are there. We have to find out, are these correct? Can two obtuse angle be supplementary? Or can two acute angles be supplementary? Or can two right angles be supplementary? Let's see. First one is, can two acute angle. So if here is 60 degree, so if I am adding with 89 degree, these are two acute angles, what I am getting? So I am getting 9, 6, 8, 14. So this is not equal to 180 degree. So these two angles are acute angles, but the sum of these two acute angles is not equal to 180 degree. So these are not supplementary angles. So what we have found, that no two acute angles be supplementary to each other, or two acute angles cannot be supplementary to each other. So next we'll see, it is given 120 degree. We'll take, can two obtuse angle be supplementary? 120 degree is given. I am adding another obtuse angle. So let's take 100. So how much we are finding? Add it. It is how much? 220 degree. So which is not equal to 180 degree. So the sum of two obtuse angle is not equal to 180 degree. So no two obtuse angles be supplementary to each other, or you can say that two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary to each other. So this is about obtuse angles. Two obtuse angles. Let's take two right angles. So 90 degree plus 90 degree. What you are getting? 180 degree. So the sum of two right angles is 90 degree. So these are what? These are supplementary to each other. So two right angles are supplementary to each other. So this is about line angle and complement angle and supplement angles. So what you will do? You will write the PDF in your copy and do the triad these of page 95 and page 96. These are the classworks, and homework is exercise 5.1 question number 1 to 8.